Welcome. I'm so glad you're here, taking this time for yourself. Today we're going to focus on helping you release tension, let go of stress, and find a place of calm and peace within yourself. Before we begin, I encourage you to find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Whether you're sitting or lying down, make sure you're in a position that feels comfortable and supportive. If possible, use headphones to immerse yourself in the experience fully. This meditation is most effective when you listen with an open mind and a willingness to let go. Throughout this session, I'll guide you through breathing exercises, visualizations, and moments of reflection. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. Simply let the sound of my voice guide you and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Now let's begin. Welcome to this guided meditation for stress relief and relaxation. I'm Rob from Third Wish. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Hold that for a moment. Now, exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or worry you may be holding on to. Take another deep breath in, feeling your belly rise as you draw in fresh, calming air. Hold that for a count of 3. Exhale gently, releasing all the tension from your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding your body. This light symbolizes peace and tranquility. And as it envelops you, feel its calming energy washing over you. With each breath, allow this light to dissolve stress, releasing it into the air around you. Breathe in deeply, hold for 3 seconds, and exhale slowly, feeling your body relax further. Bring your attention to your body, starting with the top of your head. Take notice of any areas of tension, and as you exhale, imagine these areas softening and relaxing. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale, allowing your shoulders to drop and your arms to feel heavy. Move your focus slowly down to your shoulders, arms, and hands, letting go of any weight you might be carrying. Breathe in deeply again, hold, and release. Continue to scan your body, releasing tension in your chest, abdomen, hips, legs, and feet. With each exhale, feel lighter, more at ease. Breathe in peace Hold and let go of tension as you exhale slowly. Now, imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting. Perhaps you're by a gentle stream, in a peaceful forest, or on a calm beach. Hear the soothing sounds of nature all around you, and feel a sense of deep connection to this tranquil environment. Take a deep breath in, imagining the fresh scent of this place. Hold, and then exhale, feeling a deeper sense of relaxation. Let the serenity of this place fill your mind and heart, replacing stress with a profound sense of relaxation. Visualize the golden light flowing through you, harmonizing your energy and aligning you with a sense of calm. Breathe in deeply. Hold for 4 counts and release slowly, feeling any negativity fade away. Repeat this breathing pattern once more, releasing slowly. As you breathe, take a moment to reflect on what has been causing you stress. Without judgment or attachment, simply acknowledge these feelings. Picture them as clouds drifting through the sky. Breathe in calm. Hold. And exhale as you watch the golden light dissolve these clouds, clearing your mind and creating space for calm and clarity. You are not your stress. You are the observer, capable of choosing peace. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, holding you securely and offering you stability. Imagine roots extending from your body into the ground, anchoring you in the present moment. These roots draw up energy from the earth, filling you with strength and grounding. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale, feeling your connection to the earth grow stronger. Take another deep breath in, hold for 5 counts, and exhale. Spend a few moments focusing on your breathing. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and serenity. With each exhale, release tension, letting it dissipate into the air. Notice how your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, and your heart more at ease. Breathe in peace. Hold. Let it go. Imagine yourself carrying this sense of calm into your daily life. Visualize stressful situations arising and see yourself responding with grace and composure. Take a deep breath. Hold for a count of 5. And exhale as you imagine this peaceful state guiding you through your day. Know that this peaceful state is always available to you, no matter the circumstances. You can return to this moment of calm whenever you need it. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take one final deep breath, carrying this sense of peace with you into your day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Once again, I'm Rob from Third Wish, and it's been an honor to guide you through this journey of relaxation and stress relief. I hope you feel lighter, calmer, and more at ease. Remember, this meditation is a tool to support your well-being, and I sincerely hope that it helps you on that journey. Take care, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.